Hey guys, welcome to another video. Sorry that the other one didn't work. You guys probably don't even know about that. So it's taking me a second to get over here. I don't know if I can still move. Here guys, I can move now. Alright, this video will be Compline Gist. Oh wait, I forgot to do an intro. Hey guys, just give me some likes and subscribes. Okay, let's get to the video. So as you've probably seen in my other one, I did a terrible one. Oh my. Okay. Give me 1 million views actually, because I'm not old enough to have comments. The other people are. So bad at the tricks. I'm in my room with my globe. Just so you guys don't know, I'm in space. And if any other YouTuber is watching this, I don't know. So, did I just kill that guy? Oh, excuse me? Oh, you excuse me? Oh, you got yourself busted. You got that thing busted. Oh, you busted, boy. You a busted boy. Owie. Oh. Disqualification. Alright. Alright guys, I'm gonna look at some stuff over here. I need to check something. Alright guys, this is starting off with a good video. I didn't do what I wanted it to do. Don't worry, I'm a good player on this game. Probably gonna play an other game and put this video together. I'm not old enough for comments. Sorry guys, I already said that once. If you guys love my channel, subscribe. If you guys hate my channel, don't ever subscribe. If you guys love my videos 100 times more than a million. I mean 1,000, quadruple, more than a million. Everyone that watches my videos subscribe. Even mama. My mommy subscribed. I don't think I'm subscribed to my channel on the iPad. I think I just subscribe. Guys, I'm really scared of this video. Have you ever got heart pain before? I didn't mean to say that, sorry. I'm so sorry. Let's go out super to my heart. Owie! Oh, hi Rail. May I skate you? Oh, I was too far. You guys want me to sing a song? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I want you to crinkle for me. And up I hope you will crinkle some salt down by the rain with the single knot. Crinkle, crinkle, rain, salt water. How I wonder, I want to drink salt water, even though you can't drink it. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder how you crinkle. And minkles and wrinkles, and you minkle everywhere where you crinkle. And the crinkles, you go snowboarding, and the crinkles love you so much that it makes goosebumps. And then, after that, you run into a person. Twinkle, twinkle. Fall down, down. That was sick. Get out of here, cat. I hate you. I love you, subscribers. You're the best. Alright, guys. I think I'm going to end this video right now. I love you. And stay awesome. And subscribe and all that stuff. Here, but it's going to take me a second to stop the video. Alright, so you want me to sing another song? Crinkle, crinkle, I want you to crinkle. Crinkle, crinkle, I so crinkle. Alright, time to send the video bye-bye. Make sure to like and subscribe and be awesome. Boom.